Let's see how to enable uppercase spell check in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, you'll notice that I have this sentence in normal case, and I have this sentence in complete uppercase. And another thing you'll notice is that I have misspelled or purposely misspelled the word enable right here. However, you'll also notice that it hasn't been flagged or detected by Microsoft Word to be spelled wrong. And that's because, by default, Microsoft Word ignores spelling check of uppercase words. And to enable that, and to allow Microsoft Word to track every word, whether it is in uppercase or lowercase, first click on the File tab. From here, click on Options. Now head on over to Proofing and make sure that you uncheck this box that says Ignore words in uppercase. And what that'll do is that Microsoft Word will now check words that are in uppercase. Now click on OK, and you'll see that the word enable that was misspelled has now been flagged by Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.